and Nagarjuna start something, and then Aryan Deva with Kasati.
Symbol.
Then Chandrakirti and dung. I don't think.
If I attain liberation through my own effort and work, why should I ask for Puja to help me?
Because Puja. Karsa. Shabde. Frankly speaking, I think 300 volumes, there's conjure and danger. Very few sort of I think that very few about the Kazoda.
Doing puja. It's very rare to find in these Kanjur and Tenjur over 300 volumes to find some writings by Indian masters and the Buddha's teachings that they're to say prayers and rituals.
I usually, criticize some of our tradition. When people ask some Lama or some people about their concern, their health or their sort of success or these things, then the very sort of text so for sort of making divination. Often you see mentioned in order to overcome your sort of bad luck or some bad things, you should do such puja and such pujas. I always criticize that. It is wrong. Actually, the best way to overcome bad luck or bad things, you yourself, you see, create certain sort of merits or virtues. The best way increase virtues is meditate about emptiness, meditate about altruism. Particularly altruism is the best way to increase our virtues or merits. So through that way, your life become much happier. That much, according to my own little experience, I can tell you. The more warm-heartedness, more concern about others' well-being, you get tremendous inner peace, inner strength, self-confidence. So that tremendous sort of benefit to my own health, and including sleep. I think every night, 8 to 9 hours sleep, very sound sleep. I never tested sleeping pill, never, or tranquilizer, never. Real sleeping pill and tranquilizer is here and here combined. Wisdom, altruism combined. That's the real sort of medicine to keep your good health. Like that. That is, I can tell you through my own little experience. So as I mentioned at the beginning, we are same human being. I also have destructive emotions, anger, attachment, jealousy. These things also I have. But then, when these sort of negative, when these emotions about to develop, then why my wisdom tell me, oh, this is destructive, this is no good, no use. So that wisdom now tell me you should not kasota receive these emotions. These are truly destructive. That's the way change our mind. So usually I describe the Buddhist way of practice is utilize human intelligence maximum way, through that way transform our emotion, not through prayer. I think maybe lazy people, I think it is easier pray to Buddha, all responsibility put on his shoulder. We just lay. Isn't it? That's unrealistic. That is the proper kasota, Buddhist way for practice, like that. So Buddha state, you are your own master. Because this is Buddhism, no idea about creator. Ourself, ultimately, ourself are creator, like that. So self-creation. Next question. Then I think puja, this way I think some sort of benefit. You offer something to some people, including some monks or nuns. Please, you see, carry some puja. With sort of mind, at least some monks or nuns or even ordinary people, you see, will find opportunity to make their own certain sort of kasota, Dharamsala.
In order for them to gain merit.
Oh, so that I think that way you helped some people to gain merit to them because you start that. So ultimately you also gain some merit. Right? Like that. Otherwise, I often, you see, have joke, you see, telling Tibetans, Nagarjuna, Aryadeva, Buddha Palita, and say the Vabhavika, all these Nagarjuna's students, say, I never saw it. I cannot imagine Nagarjuna with bell, with manjra and kasati. Damaru, and some sort of torma, and Nagarjuna start something, and then Aryadeva with kasati.
Symbol.
Then Chandrakirti and dung, dung, dung. I don't think. All these, I think, with respect, I may say these are Tibetans' creation due to lack of knowledge. Very faithful, but lack of knowledge. I feel like that.